What's happening? Ano tong daan na to?
For inspection.
Okay. Pag ano yan?
Sa mga passengers, for inspection.
Let's go, guys. Let's do this, Sure, Mom. Okay, what's this? Ito para ma-check ka. At least you know you're safe.
Yeah, so...
Ito, para
Yes,
mabilang kung yan ang papasok at lalabas. Chairman, magkano yung ganito?
Right now, we're operating on a non-fare basis, libre.
Huh?
Ngayon, libre.
At least umabot tayo sa libre,
Free pandesal.
Habang libre.
Short briefing, ma'am. Here, Pasig
Here,
River.
go.
Pasig River.
Yeah, I used to live by the Pasig, you know. Go, Chairman. Ano to?
Everything about Pasig River. Meron kaming meeting with all restaurant operators of Escolta, Manila. We intend to revive the food street tour. Escolta, Chinatown, Binondo.
Tapos pwede mo siyang i-feature dito, Nina.
So lahat ng Chinese restaurants and everything. Tapos mga heritage buildings.
Let's go. Wow. Ito siya. Parang ito yung life dito before. And now,
1570.
Chairman, mahirap bang linisin? I want to clear.
We have 273 esteros. Quezon City, San Juan,
Ano ibig sabihin ng
Marikina.
tributary?
Lahat connected sa Pasig River. And
Okay.
So yung kahit malinis yung Pasig River, may mga basura tayong galing, for instance,
Sa Quezon
T. Rodriguez.
City.
So dalawa po yung pagpipilian nyo kung saan nyo gusto sumakay. The
Parang this
faster
is
one,
cute. Which is faster?
that one, faster. Yep.
Yung puti.
30 minutes hanggang Guadalupe. This
Ito po.
one, mga
1 hour?
40.
Gusto natin si 30. Sige ko.
30.
Hashtag apurahin na.
Meron tayong bago, ma'am. This week lalabas namin tong Pasig River Ferry App.
Taray, you're the man, Chairman.
Lalabas lahat yung ruta, yung schedule.
Never catch me and... Ah! Wala pa. Yun na, go. Let's go. Tara. Okay, so paano to?
Actually, hindi kailangan isuot, ma'am. Hindi
kailangan isuot.
Hindi kailangan
ate.
isuot.
Chairman, I don't like
Hindi kailangan isuot. Hindi kailangan isuot. Bigay ko na lang sa ito, ma'am.
Ano po Chairman, hindi kami marunong mag-swim. Thanks, Chairman. O, hindi na rosary. Sabi niya, hindi kailangan.
Mag-bless kahapon.
Di ba? Bakit ko tayo hindi marunong? Ano ito mga factory dito? Gawa ni Aifa.
Mga dati na po yan eh. And then you have the oil depot hub dito rin. EDSA is 22 kilometers. Pasig River is 25. This is Hospicio de San Jose. The first land title granted by the Queen of Spain, Queen Isabella, to the monastery occupying the land.